Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and the Junk Journal Tutorials, Videos, and Projects Facebook group. Now, to start off, I would like to say, I have my radio DJ voice on because I'm recording the screen and I'm talking into this one of those big microphones and I feel like I'm a radio DJ. Now, second of all, this is really happening to me. I'm not asking you to look at your computer and see if you've been hacked. What I'm asking of you is for you to help me decide if I've been hacked, or if my account's been compromised, or if I'm reposting something that I don't mean to repost by accident. So let me start out. I'm moving this something that you can't see, which is the recording indication. I'm starting out, you may hear Oz in the background because the neighbor's taking their dogs in and out to go to the bathroom, and they're like a herd of elephants because they're big. What's happening to me is that I can make a post, but then if I copy and paste something and post it in, like I do when I upload a video, I post in multiple groups. So instead of typing it over and over again, I copy and paste. And whenever that happens to me, I have this strange little warning window pop up. So first of all, this is going to look, or second, third, fourth of all, I don't know how many of alls I'm at. This is going to look different to you unless you're an admin, and this is just admin stuff. So ignore the man behind the curtain. Oh, never mind. Wizard of Oz reference. But this is all going to be the same over here on this side. So I'm going to go to write a post. And now when I copy and paste, right click, I've copied it already, and I right click to paste, this is what happens. Okay, now you see it says additional reporting on this. And it says, before you share this content, you might want to know there's an additional reporting from VoxCheck, Tayet, and NAC. Pages and websites that repeatedly publish or share false news will see their overall distribution reduced and be restricted in other ways. Now, then it's got these three things listed as if I'm reposting these, but I'm not. I'm copying and pasting text from a file. Okay? And then I click share anyway because I have no choice. And then I click post. And it posts as normal. I want to know if any of you have had this happen to you before. And if so, what did you do about it? Did you have a fix? Did you have to go to Facebook? Did you have to start a new account, which I'm not willing to do? There's got to be something I can do. Because all of my groups I've signed up as Terry Lee because, well, Terry S. Lee. I said Terry Lee's online. And they won't let you join as a group, so I can't, or a page. So I can't sign up to those groups as Sweet Pea Papers. Do you see what I mean? So I really would appreciate your help. And this is just a really short video just to see if you know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. If you do know what's going on, you can make a post under this video, or I've posted it here in the group. You can private message me, Terry S. Lee, if you on Messenger. If you want to email me, you can email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. And I guess you could sit in your living room and yell at me, but that probably wouldn't help me as much as the other three methods. Okay? All right. Well, you guys have a great morning. I appreciate all your help. Please, please, please tell me what's going on. And I will talk to everybody soon. Thanks, and bye-bye.